dekat dia installer, what I share to you, itu installer, ada satu myESCP dia. If I install itu lah. This one, I want to talk to you more to this one. So this edition, ini myESCP, mainly untuk you prepare you punya BMP.
Itu apa, Ero program yang I install dulu kan, dia tak boleh dia kena ada serial number I ingat you kena bagi link baru
So this is myESCP. So actually, I just make a quick one to show to you. When they launch, dia akan keluar dialog macam ni. So dia ada guide, I tak mau dulu. So from here, dia macam Geonet. You can select your DWG file. It can be sama macam Geonet. Nanti I go a bit more lah. I just show you first. So dia import macam biasa. This one satu example ESCP job lah. What I did one.
Okay.
So just import lah. When they import, you tengok on the left bottom, you ada banyak benda masuk, nampak tak?
Okay.
Dia tengah cari tu. So this all is depend how you draw your thing into the CAS layout. Dia macam Geonet macam tu, ada layer name. Ada layer name terpakai. So you have to draw, then they will mark for you. They will mark into it.
Okay.
Dia soal ada, dia tengok, dia ada tunjuk apa benda dekat dalam. So once I click OK, this is ini ada Geonet punya file boleh, kalau tak ada, delete it. So I press the space bar. Dia akan turn off everything except all the BMP thing. Apa benda ni maybe you tak tahu. So on the left side, on here left side, ini semua BMP tadi sudah masuk dalam drawing punya. Nampak dia akan highlight to you along the way. This is a diversion channel. Tengah dia highlighting. And so on. Semua benda ni, you need your experience to mark. Bukan simply draw saja. Dia ada some so-called, how to say, ada some cara lah. Now knowledge you must know some knowledge untuk mark out ini benda ni. So from there, all the thing over here. So when this model benda BMP sudah ada, so this all those your components. Then under the panel here, this is all. Then this is the operation. The ESCP other subdivide to the 4 categories. One is called operation, dekat ada walkthrough, stockpile, storage area, all those things. Yang where you perlu dekat ESCP punya. It's still under the other category. Ini operation.
Okay.
Still trace under sediment control. Nampak tak?
Okay.
So there depend the other 4 category. We follow the MSMA. Ada erosion control, ada mulching, turfing, and so on. Ada runoff control, diversion channel, and so on. So these all semua benda, you mark dekat drawing. Draw dekat CAS Draw dekat CAS. Kalau you refer to my help file, dia ada layer name. This is my help file. You need to open my help file dekat installer. Dia ada layer name. Nampak tak? So apa benda ini? What is about? Apa benda ini? What is about? So what you need to do? You perlu go to CAS sana. Sekarang open itu sama dengan CAS drawing. You draw dekat sini. For example, I selected ini. Inilah ESCP -DC is a diversion channel. It's a diversion channel. Okay, I think I open the output file sekejap. I should open the input file. This is the input file. Okay, this is the input file. Can see or not? Dekat sini.
Ini yang sudah masuk.
So ini where you prepare all your CAD drawing inside your CAD drawing. It can be the same file for Geonet. It can be the same file for Geonet. From here you can see this color I draw blue color is under EW-ESCP-DC. So all this naming is referred to here. The help file, this one is a diversion channel. Nampak tak? The help file ada benda-benda. WT is a walkthrough. Then dia ada define apa benda ni. Then this is a silt fence. What is the thing? And so on. So from there, you follow all those things. So you can draw into the layout. For example, this one, what is this brown color? This is SP. SP is a sediment basin. Nampak tak? Basically, aku guna nama itu prefix dia punya first character. Mulching, material storage.
So the most important thing is to know this layer lah. Basically.
Ya, you perlu tengok ini untuk buat lah stock path. Nampak tak? Dia ada is a line or close polyline. Macam tu saja. Dekat MSMA, I think dia only bagi you about 10 or 11 BMP saja. Tapi on my parts I've been provide more than that one.
BMP
ada
tu apa? BMP
best management practice.
Oh, best management practice.
It can be a material, it can be a method, and so on. You can see not? For example, a bank and so on. Macam tu watering, itu pun consider BMP.
Component
on your side you perlu specify contractor perlu buat watering. Itu benda itu. Itu method lah. For example, you guna diversion channel is a drain lah. Is a site itu a channel lah. It's a channel lah. So this is for best management practice. Dekat stormwater, you always come across this statement lah.
Okay.
So from there, tadi you draw dekat sini, semua benda you draw dekat sini. Lepas you draw, you save this file, you just import macam tadi itu masuk dalam. So you akan nampak all those things inside here. So from there, you can see this is a erosion control. This is a runoff control. This is a sediment control. So for example, this buffer element ni tak ada dalam MSMA. But this is one of BMP. So this buffer, one of the purpose here, kalau you have sediment basin, ada constraint area, we can put in the buffer. For example here, you can see this color is a buffer. This color is buffer. That means this is diversion channel. Air masuk sini, dia akan flow through here, then go down here and turn. Only they come up below here. You can see now. So the purpose of buffer is to lengthen the travel time of the water flow. That's why kalau you design. Sorry.
Proceed.
Sediment basin dia punya design minimum dimension is 1:2. That means width 1 meter, length mesti 2 meter and more. So they want to have the sufficient travel time. Kalau you ada constraint site, tak ada tempat untuk provide this distance, so we produce a buffer to lengthen the travel distance. So this is the purpose of buffer. But this buffer is not mentioned in the MSMA. This mentioned in the CPESC. So from there you can see, this is outlet. Merah ini is outlet. So I guna buffer untuk subdivide itu sediment basin. So let the water flow in here, they go here until here and go off. So it got the sufficient water flow. For example, you can see dekat merah ni two is a diversion channel, tapi satu in, satu out. Because there's too close apart, I perlu subdivide it. Artinya bagi air masuk ni, they need to go one big round. Untuk turn out.
Berapa besar dia punya SB ni?
Ini design lah. You perlu design biar sediment basin lah.
Yelah, berapa besar ni? Ingat I tak pernah design macam ni.
This one I forgot. Nanti I show the report.
50
Nanti
meter
I show the report. I forgot. This is last year I did one. Last year end. So from there you can see they are the in and out. So by practice, they be intern tak boleh next to outlet. Kalau tidak, even agak kotor masuk sini dia keluar
terus
immediately.
keluar balik.
That's why I guna buffer untuk subdivide. Subdivide. Some buffer is a divider put inside the basin one. Put in the basin one. So this all is mentioned about in the CPESC. Among here, I have add many inside there. So I think dekat sini ada 30 lebih. MSMA hanya about 11 macam tu saja. So they don't have much of thing. So I put it on lah. For example, secondary containment. Ini macam tu dia punya site ada itu oil tanker. Dekat site itu you perlu bury out itu benda itu. So this not really ajar dekat MSMA lah. not really ada dekat MSMA. So it produce a pollutant kalau ada oil leaking dekat tank itu. So you need to isolate it out macam tu. Dia ada benda-benda. If you come across those things, you tak tahu, you boleh tanya I lah. You boleh tanya I lah. Also from there, this is the BMP where you have to put it. So kalau you can see when I navigate here, you try to see on the left side. You can see dia tukar itu left side punya benda. So what is this one on the left side? This is your design module. BMP design module. You design your discharge, your key, your parameter for your earth drain, for every component. You set on kalau I nak silt fence. Where is my silt fence? Silt fence. Click on this is a silt fence design module where I follow the MSMA. For example, in this silt fence. So you key in all the parameters and so on. Check them design. And so on. Bukan semua ada design Macam buffer itu tak ada design punya. Buffer tak ada design. It's just a barrier saja. Subdivide the thing. No, ada punya agak masuk. It's not all have the design. It might be just apply saja. It might be just apply. So this all must be based on your experience Kalau tak ada experience, you don't know what to do. Ini cross punya is a silt fence. And so on. So actually it's subjected to your talent. You can see it's subjected to your talent how you do the thing. Dia macam drain sewer, you space bar, you turn off everything macam tu, except all the things belong to this current software. Or you can turn it on and so on. So we mark along with the talent all the design. So for example, let's say you sudah siap semua benda ini, you sudah setting, you can select where you want to use. You want to go for design. You tak mau semua, you boleh uncheck semua. You to turn on all and you tak mau, you boleh buat macam tu. Kalau you, let's say I select semua, I want to design everything. After you set the thing, go for the integrity. Just press the integrity. Dia akan proceed with your design. You can see on the left side. So they run through any element, they design for you. Kalau ada fail, they can mark for you. You can see, sudah siap. You can see dia ada green color, ada red color. So red color, you mesti tengok apa benda fail lah. Go to edit, itu you punya design parameter. Maybe here you tak tahu, you go to view the report. Go to read the report, so there are other fasa. Maybe there are the two mode, other words and Excel. Maybe I go for Excel. Wait for a while. They generate the Excel output. So this is your Excel output. You can see there are the quantity. Very good for your PQ. Very good for PQ. So kalau you mark correctly, semua is also the scale is 1:1. They can compute for you. Then you can put your take off. Kalau you harga, you put in your rate. Then you know what is your construction cost for your ESCP. This can be saved to the Excel file. It's an Excel file. Here is our built-in, looks like Excel, but not Excel. Nampak tak? So from there, when I navigate other worksheet, you can see, this is Sediment track. Ada merah, something wrong dekat design. You need to go through, see what's the tempat dia fail. Then you edit the design module. Exit the design module. Then from there, you can navigate. There ada banyak worksheet. Every worksheet ada satu design. This is a silt fence design.
Can we adjust directly on the Excel, or we need to go back to the software?
No, once you got this one, you just save to Excel. You adjust dekat sana. Let's say I saved into the
adjust dekat software lah, bukan adjust ke Excel kan.
Once you maybe you do some editing, jangan edit dekat sini lah. You save out. Lepas tu you go to the buka the Excel file untuk edit. Mana? Let me open just now the Excel file. This one. Can see it now? Now in the Excel. The whole thing in the Excel. So maybe you edit something, you can edit here lah. You can see now. It's the same macam tadi tu. Hanya now currently is 100% in the Excel. This is our built-in, looks like Excel, but not Excel. Itu saja. Dia ada some function untuk buat kerja tu. I think it's best for you go direct into the Excel lah.
Tapi kalau macam let's say you cakap ada yang merah tadi tu kan. So you need to make correction in the Excel or you need to go back to your design?
Kalau small matter, you can go just put in some crunching, you can edit the thing. Kalau tidak, you can go back here. Go to that element where they fill one. Dia ada dua fasa. You go to the element, you find that there's other reference numbers. Tadi ada field apa number tu. You go into it, you edit dekat sini, you run again lah.
Okay. So better we go here.
Sometimes for the simplicity, maybe dia ada banyak sentiment basin or whatever. You maybe just take one for design saja. Maybe uncheck, you select something you want lah. For example, you might need to have just a silk fan design. Maybe I select one silk fan enough lah. The other one just uncheck it lah. Dia akan takkan compute lah on the design. So the output, there may not be a series here lah. You can see now. So this one, you can see everything is inside. All the module, kalau ada punya. Dia ada banyak. Even Sentinel, track, check them, and so on. All the design. So this one, this part mainly is for the BMP design. This part is mainly for the BMP design. Once you, let's say, use the okay the thing, you just save out the thing. So this is a CAD layout. This is a CAD layout where you can do your own work lah.
Okay.
You akan nampak dekat CAD layout. You can see now. You can see the whole thing. Okay, so I miss out satu. Dia ada satu legend. You perlu place your legend. You click on show a legend. Pick mana you perlu ada. Dia akan draw for you.
Dia penting juga ni legend.
Kalau you tak mark dia tak keluar lah. Kalau nampak tempat tak bagus, you select again, show again, you pick another new position. This is for your legend. Whatever you draw anyone, dia akan mark dekat sini as a legend. Then only you save to the CAD layout. So by the way, besides others improvement, there is one newly added features. This on the new build one. Nanti I share again for you because you said tak boleh pakai. So we have the imaging. Nampak tak? Ini I baru incorporate. So sometimes, how to say sebab ESCP sebenarnya banyak contractor dia tak tahu apa benda itu. Maybe you say diversion channel dia tak erti macam tu. So it's good for us to place the image macam turfing. Then I place the image into my layout. So whatever you want, just select this one, go to plus, select tempat you nak. You click on this, I put an image there. Ada some issue on my CAD layout. It's supposed to appear one image there. I need to cross check again. Why not appearing? It should be show the CAD layout on the image there. Dia sudah ada dekat dalam ni. I don't know why the image not coming out. It's supposed this gambar dia akan keluar to here. So this gambar is subjected to your own image. You can place your own into the folder in the software, in the PC. So you need to go for the sini ada mention dekat IBN how far. This is all your file. You put in your image dekat dalam ni. Tapi ada some setting size lah. So the pixel whatever you need to follow. For example, it should show the pixel is 150 by 100 the size. This one. Your pixel. You need to follow this one. Dia baru consistent. So this all have been mentioned in the help file. How you want to produce a thing. I think it should be here. This is talking about how the produce a file. This is ini feature I baru letak. Ada gambar macam ni punya. I need to cross check mengapa dia tak keluar dekat tali itu. This one mark, I don't know why they are not showing us. So this is new feature. Actually on the BMP, banyak contractor dia tak tahu. So it's good to you to play some gambar dekat dalam, no. So at least I know what's the thing about. So
Kadang-kadang taruh gambar pun tak faham juga ini.
Yeah, at least you can explain easily lah. Kalau tidak, you kata silk fence macam tu, dia tak tahu apa itu silk fence. So at least you can place over here, then you got some image there. Most of the image akan follow MSMA, tapi setengah benda tak ada dekat MSMA, I capture elsewhere. I capture elsewhere. You can see silk fence. This is MSMA gambar. Mana stockpile tak ada for my own one. Crossing and so on. You can place more. Just place the thing into the folder. They will appear dekat sini. They will appear dekat sini. So this is my newly add-on. But I cross that why the gambar tak ada. It's supposed to be appear dekat coordinates dekat sini. So this is about the BMP. You want after you run, you can go direct to the quantity. It can be Word or Excel. Tadi itu report ada banyak. Kalau you just need the quantity, you can come out here. They say to Excel lah. You ada harga, you can put your own. This one I always being asked from the client. Dia kata berapa cost itu benda. So if you draw according to scale, semua akan capture dekat myESCP sana. Satu words file. So words is better for reporting lah. You can see or not? Excel susah sikit lah, bukan you need to set your paper size and apa tu. Kalau ni words you letak printer, you direct print lagi. You can see. So what I told you, our latest edition semua ada words file. Yang O punya dalam Excel, O punya ada Excel and so on. So dekat sini dia mainly untuk BMP lah. This is what it means. myESCP. So you need to know how to draw and put it on. So from there, I share this report for you. What I did one.
Oh, tu besar je consultant. Takkan you buat untuk dia mesti ada banyak engineer.
Yeah, tapi I'm specialized. I told you I got a license for those things. So this one example I produced from just now the output. I just share with you. At least you come ideas. I put the reports. This how the ESP is supposed to produce. Introduction. This on the Geon Earth. Nampak tak? I guna Geon Earth to produce the output. So classification, land use. Then I capture this semua image. Either this will be on the Geon Earth. Water flow. This one I talk to you on the next round on the Geon Earth SD edition. Water flow. Pre and post, all the condition, catchment analysis. Then from the catchment analysis, I define my BMP. Nampak tak? Dia ada, for example, dia ada here ada 1, 2, 3, 4 catchment. So how the water flow? So from there, I need to define all my sediment control. It based on the size. It can be sediment basin or sediment trap. So from there, all you need to put into layout lah, nampak tak? This all. So from there, from the analysis, I know what to do. Sebab ini ialah jalan. So from the 3D, when nampak itu benda is a jalan. So it's a geonet, nampak tak? It's very clear cut. How the geonet produce the 3D model tu. So from there, jalan ada dua slope, left and right. So my basin cannot be on one side. So I have to left and right, nampak tak? Left and right. So be subjected on your design lah. So tadi itu, you can see the layout, the BMP layout. I capture from there. I put into report lah. How the thing to be designed. All the design. Sequence of works. Methodologies. Then define the control. All the BMP. So my tools it's not cannot process everything in one go. It's a pieces here and there. You need to slowly learn how to integrate everything. So it's soil loss. This one SC punya analysis.
So this report is not only one software lah. It's
it mixing
combination.
Yeah, combination and BMP design.
I think this project is big lah. I think 100 acre dia kot.
Yeah.